Okay, welcome back. So in this project we'll be creating, this time we'll be creating our first project, like a real project. Cool. So this is what we have from last time, so let us create a new project, and it was up here with the plus. Let me show you again, and nope, this one will be big size. Okay. So if we press up there and then just next, and project name will be baby project. Yeah. And because we'll be creating baby objects, babies. So now we have baby project, and I'll just get rid of this very annoying text. Okay, so and I can write a bit above here what we'll be doing. We will create a new class called baby class, a new Java class called baby class, and inside this class, there will be a constructor. So this is a new thing, a new concept. So we will be dealing with some new concepts. So let's just, if we take it easy, it will be easy, I hope. One step at a time. So and inside main, I can write here, down here. Inside main, we will create two baby objects. This is the goal of this, our very first real Java project. So let me explain about creating objects from classes. So let's first create a new class. Yeah. So if I zoom in here, and in so we have source packages baby project, source packages baby project Java. So we'll have it in the same location as this one, our main. This is the one we are now, baby project. Let me actually, before continue, let me close the other ones. So these were the earlier ones. We can just close the, I think it's called a tab, or I don't remember what this is called up here. But if you just close them, and then we're left with what we have now, the baby project. So this is, okay, let me zoom in again. Yeah, so baby project, and we will, from this one, I should make an error instead. From this one, we will be creating a new Java class. So what Java will do, it will create a new document and the class called the same as this document. So let's see, now I have it highlighted with the blue, and right click, new Java class. I hope, yeah, I can zoom in and out. So the top one, Java class. Then I have to go back, new Java class, and name of this class, what should we call it? We'll call it baby class, and finish. And now we have another one. So now we have two in our project, baby project. We'll have we now have two Java documents with a class in each. Yeah. So just instead of calling document, we just call it classes. So now we have two Java classes, and I can get rid of the text again in this one, baby class, because it's annoying. And as you should be noticing now, in this class there is no main. So let me go back to the other one. So, and let me do like bigger size. So here we have the main, and it is only in our baby project, our class called baby project. This is where the main is. So the program will start from here, and just remind you that we could also see it by this green play thingy that we start from there. So baby class, no It's just a class without no main. So so far so good. And now I should explain, or try to explain, do my best, because this is a concept in object-oriented programming that can be a bit confusing, maybe for some time. We'll be creating objects out of the classes. So we will use the classes as what we call a blueprint, like a kind of construction drawing for what the object should have of attributes, what it should contain, be able to do, whatever. And then from this blueprint, this class, we can create as many individual objects as we want. So yeah, so this maybe I can try and draw it. I figured out how this works. So if we would have our baby class here, and our main, I guess. So this is just our main. Our main is called the same name as the. No, wait. Our main is the main is always the main, but it always put inside a class. So in this case, our main is put inside the class that has the same name as our project. So, but we'll just call it main because it could be put into any class, and it is confusing. And if you can get that, then Java is much less confusing. So okay. So we have the baby class. And we have the main, which is inside the class that has the same name as our project. And so what we will be doing, we will be inside this main. Let me try and do this. This is curly bracket. It looks like shit. No, shouldn't be cursing. Damn. So inside this main, we'll run a code so we can actually create a baby object. So we just write it. Yeah, I'm too lazy to go into it. I hope it's a new baby. I hope you can read this. Maybe I should be typing, but okay. So we create a new baby, and we call this new baby 1, new baby 1, and new baby baby 2. Looks bad. Yeah, never mind. Baby 1, baby 2. And these are created from the baby class. Actually, I can take a green one because I like another different color. So we are creating objects that we can only create objects if we are creating them from something. So let's call this the baby class. Would be, we could say, contains. Let me write that because kind of contains baby DNA. That doesn't sound too strange. So we could say that the baby class contains the DNA necessary to create new babies. So in a way, they're like we call them instances, objects created from a blueprint. So yeah. So they will have they will come from the same class, but they can have different attributes like different color, different size, or different weight, or whatever. But they're created from the same class. So I hope this is not. Maybe this doesn't make any sense at all. But maybe I'll find a better way to explain at one point. But for now, maybe if we just see what is going on, what it does, then we can figure it out like that. So yeah, let's just leave that. So we're creating new babies from the baby class. So the baby class contains baby DNA. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So let's create the baby class. So now we go into the baby class, public class, baby class, and we'll create from again. Oh yeah. Do like this, red one. From the first curly bracket to the last curly bracket. This is where the class starts and ends. So let's write something. So now we're going to write some stuff that a baby can have, or what you might call it, like attributes. So let's create the first. So these like a name would be the first private string name. So this private part is just to make it available to the baby class only, and we won't be going into that so much. Maybe later. So now it's just plain confusing. So we have a string name for the baby, and we should have another string with maybe eye color. Well, eye color. Yeah, and we can have another one private as like an integer number, whole number, private int height. And what I'm doing now, I'm actually just defining an empty, so it doesn't contain anything yet. So it's just to have them created, and then later on we'll have put something into them. So now it's just an empty variable. Shouldn't have anything inside of it. And create another one, private int weight. Yeah, height, weight. It's kind of nice. And let me comment above it that now we're using integer, so we have to remember that it's a whole number. So height should be I'm European, so height for me is centimeters. So whatever, whole number, centimeters. So no millimeters, only centimeters. Otherwise, it won't work. And the weight, it would be gram, g. Weight in gram would make most sense. So. And I actually see that the time limit is up for this video, so I'll see you in the next baby project video. So, bye for now.